The day begins with an early morning, loading 2 trailers of freight. A crew of 6 professional movers will oversee the entire process. We are bound for a beautiful private beach in Litibu, Mexico, a home situated directly on its own hidden cove, coming soon to market as a new luxury rental property. The offload starts with a highly sequenced process, working room by room using our unique checkpoint system. Each team has specific duties and works together seamlessly. Solid wood pieces are oversized and require team effort. A mobile carpentry shop is set up outside for on-site assembly. Each carton is inspected and every item is reviewed for proper install. Meanwhile, the electrical crew begins with lighting and chandeliers. Next, we inventory and install the accessories and art. And finally, a massive custom dining table on the covered loggia. Precise measures are checked to level and install this magnificent piece. An incredible day, and all smiles when it's complete. Bravo to our phenomenal dream team.